Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate papaya plant from seeds. Papaya is a fast growing fruit plant that produces delicious and nutritious fruits. It is easy to grow from seeds and can start bearing fruits within 1 year with proper care. First of all, take a well drained container and cover the drainage hole with a stone chip. Fill it with cocopeat. Collect some fresh seeds from a mature papaya fruit. Place the seeds on the surface of the cocopeat and keep about 2-inch gap between two seeds. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of cocopeat. Finally, sprinkle a little bit of water and keep the container in indirect sunlight place. Keep the cocopeat slightly moist until the seeds germinate. After 2 weeks, most of the seeds have germinated well. After 4 weeks, the seedlings have developed several true leaves and are ready for transplant into individual pots. Now I am making potting mix for papaya seedlings. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% garden soil, 20% vermicompost, 20% fine sand. Mix it well. Take some well-drained pots and fill it with potting mix. Carefully transplant healthy seedlings into each pot. Water it properly. For papaya plant care, place the papaya plant in a sunny location. Papaya grow best when it receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Water the plant when top of the soil feels dry. Avoid overwatering as it can cause root rot. You can add organic fertilizer or vermicompost once in a month for healthy growth and better fruit production. I hope this video will help you to grow papaya plant easily from seed at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Green Bengal. Thank you for watching this video.